Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Erica and today I have an exciting video. I have my first designer bag that I will be unboxing. This is the TELFAR small shopping bag in tan and I am so excited. I've been trying to get my hands on one of these for a little while now, probably about 6 months, and I finally got my hands on one. So I'm super excited and I just wanted to record unboxing it and kind of give my thoughts as I go through it. So pretty much straight away, this is the box it comes in. It comes with a pretty simple box. It's very discreet. I noticed someone else raised when they got theirs that it's actually great that they do this so that when it gets to your apartment or to your home, it's not super obvious what it is, because these are quite a hard to get item and something that's quite in demand. You definitely don't want it to get stolen. I know that I've had problems with my mail getting stolen previously, so I love that they've done this, and it's very slim, so I'm excited to see how little the bag is. I'll just open it up. Just opening the flap up, and it's in this little dust bag. So it comes in a plastic Ziploc bag, and then inside is the dust bag, which has their logo on it. And I'm about to open it up and have the big reveal, but here it is. Oh, the color is so pretty. I've been wanting one of these for so long. It's so exciting to finally have it. It is a little bit smaller than I thought it would be, but I mean, I don't carry a whole ton of stuff around. Sometimes I just carry a card holder. So this is perfect. There's the 2 straps up the top and a top handle so you can wear it either way. And just opening it up, and there's like a clip up the top if you wanted to keep it closed. And then their logo, which is inside as well. So the reason I went with this bag over others, first and foremost, was because of the brand and what it stood for. I know that I guess with luxury items, there is an attachment to the brand as much as a bag's a bag, but I think it's of growing importance what you purchase, and I just liked what this brand stood for overall. It's a new upcoming brand. I don't know if you can call it upcoming. I feel like they've established themselves as like a great luxury good, and Telfar Clemens, the designer, he just stands for so many great things in inclusivity, which is reflected in their slogan as well, which is not for you, for everyone. I really liked the stand that they took with resellers. I'll link a video about that if you're interested, but essentially this bag, while it's not super expensive, it is pricey, but it's something that you can see as an investment, but it's not unattainable. That's something that I really loved about this, was it's for everyone to have something that's really nice for them. And while 150 US may be out of reach for some people, I think that it definitely expands out the luxury bag market, which, you know, I think a lot of Chanel bags kind of start at that $8,000–10,000 mark, which just isn't attainable for most people. So I think that's really great to be able to have something special like this. Yeah, so the price point was a big player as well. For me, being in Australia, the conversion rate made it substantially more expensive. Plus the shipping for this was $88. That is because I am in Australia. I understand that they cannot control that as much. However, this was probably the fastest international shipping I've ever had. So I think it didn't even take a week, I don't think. I ordered it as soon as it launched. I think it sold out within maybe a minute or so. I remember when I tried to order the black one, I think it sold out in like 10 seconds. So it was great that I was able to get this one, and the color is so stunning. I have plenty of black bags, so to get something that is like this very rich tan color, I think will add kind of just an extra like thing that I can, you know, style. And I cannot wait to style this. I am looking forward to it so much. I will be styling this over on my TikTok, which I will have down in the description. And now I will show you how much fits in this. I'm interested to see exactly how much does. So I've grabbed a couple things that I would typically take with me on a day out. First of all is my phone. I have an iPhone XS and that one fits pretty much perfectly, like straight in, so you can see it like flat. And then my sunglasses, this might be a bit of a push. So I just have a standard Ray-Bans case, my sunglasses, and that fits perfectly widthwise as well. So that's in there too. And there's still space up the top. And then just a card holder, that one fits in. Some AirPods, and keys of course. And a lipstick. I carry this with me everywhere just because this is the only lipstick that I wear, and I wear it every day pretty much. And that all fits in there, and I can even and I clip it up, and I can actually clip that up. Oh no, it didn't hold. So it doesn't clip up like that, but as you can see, it fits perfectly. It's not stretching. Just comparing it size-wise to like those typical shoulder bags, yes, it is smaller, but it is deeper, so you can fit more in from like a width way. That's gonna be like the perfect size for me day to day, carrying around. Maybe not to work when I need to carry like food and like a couple of books, but day to day when I'm out on the weekends, this is going to be perfect. It's gonna look so cute with so many outfits. I love, love, love the color. And yeah, I'm super happy with this. Hopefully it holds up. If I ever have any issues with it, I'll try to update over on my Instagram or something. I know that this is just going to match so many of my things, and I'm so, so excited I bought it. I'm so, so happy I got my hands on it. And just as a tip, if you are looking to buy, be there with your card details either already in or like ready to copy and paste. Like, be quick. That's what I was able to do. Don't second guess it. Once you're on the site and they're available, buy it. You cannot procrastinate. They will sell out, so being able to do that is probably your best bet on getting your hands on one. That would be my advice, getting one. Thank you so much for watching. If you have liked this video, please like, comment, and share with your friends if you'd like as well, if you know of anyone that wants to buy one of these bags. And I will link my other socials down in the description. I'll see you next time.